Take time to review the full Standard 2, Teaching, Learning, and Assessments, using resources from ISTE and Fairfax County. Note that the standard includes 8 components. The analysis by Fairfax County organizes these components into literacies coaches may possess to demonstrate competency in the standard. Consider how the standard impacts the SBIT's role and grounds your work in the vision of the school and larger division. Whether you are currently an SBITS or are considering becoming one, consider how you currently support and communicate those visions, and whether you need any additional information to do so more fully. To whom in your building or within the district might you reach out to learn more about effective teaching, learning, and assessment practices? What roles can you play in instructional efforts that support your school's vision and that of the division for effective technology integration? Download the accompanying goal-setting handout and use it to create your own goals for this module. What do you need to know or be able to do to successfully meet your goals? Consider reasonable action steps to help you meet those goals and determine how you will know whether you have been successful or not. The following section introduces resources and some suggested activities you can use to build consensus and capacity around effective teaching, learning, and assessment practice. You may want to review these before finalizing your goals. You don't need to review every resource or complete every activity. You determine which resources will help you reach your goals and be successful, and those may include resources not listed here.